Um, if you look at your fellow members now, what is biggest advice that you give them to do and then not to do? Like what are the things you should avoid and what are the things that you would want them to do now if they want to also clear CPA in a period of let's say a year or a year more than that?
Yeah, see, I stepped into when I enrolled for CPA, and when I started discussing with my friends who are already working with the Big Fours and catering the global market, they said they'll always mention few of the content providers which they are following, okay? And I had no idea honestly, and Pixelon already came up with UWorld as a package. So that way, I never had the time to investigate that window, that whether to take this or whether to take that. So first, as a student, what mistake I did was I also logged into Becker, I also logged into UWorld, I also logged into ABC, whatever available in the market. So my suggestion to the CPA students would be just be with one mentor, one content provider, and give your 100% to that. Even if when you are revising, you should revise whatever you have read and not from a new content provider or a new subject. So that helps in building the concept also. Again, I mean, strengthening your concept, and gives you motivation also that yes, now you are picking up the subject. Another thing is that you have to control your physical as well as emotional being also, which I've been very bad at, I understand. But yeah, that plays a very major role, especially when you're appearing for the paper. For that 4 hours, you have to be in the best form, I mean the best form you can be at.